was just using probably like 7-8 players. But now, he was able to extend the minutes of his team. He's using the bench, and he's playing with a different kind of system. And what is that system? Everybody is involved in offense.
Oh, NLEX behind the brilliance of course starting 5 na. Nagtutulungan Mocon, Bahio, and Ramirez to make a dent in this game. Mocon ilang rebounds na yan, and he also gets an assist on a Bolik 3.
Multiple opportunities for the Road Warriors to score. Nakakalungkot yun dahil si Bolik na humawak, wala pang nag-close out.
Sa sarili niya si Jomar Fajardo daw. si Dominic Fajardo. Pwede raw niyang nickname ngayon Jomar na lang para mapalapit ng konti kay Junmar.
Samantala, another second chance of a good teacher, a nurturer who presses the right buttons just to make sure na binibigay ng mga manlalaro yung kanilang best, hindi offensive. So alam mo itong si Brandon Ramirez na pag kinakausap siya ni Coach Jong, makikinig ka talaga dahil nga alam mo kampiyon. Maturity, we've seen it. Grabe yung evolution din itong si Robert Bolik. In their previous game, yes, he was good for 28 points. Another 3-pointer by Cyrus Torres. But what is so amazing is when he scored only 13 points against CNT, panalo pa rin yung kanilang koponan.
Out to Aldridge. Ferrer, maiisahan si Bolik.
Finally, a basket off the offensive rebound and the first 2 points by
Down. 8 na para sa Road Warriors. Ferrer gustong kunin yung pang-anim ng Terra Firma, and Kevin Ferrer is on a tear.
more than capable. This guy is a reliable shooter from the outside. He is a ball player, just slowed down because of a series of injuries. So, kumbaga natapyasan na, nagkakaroon pa sila ng konting excitement dahil bumitingin sila. Pero that is a problem for them because Kevin Ferrer is asked to score. Three-pointers made by Kevin Ferrer, and this is exactly what the doctor ordered. We called out his name. We know he's more than capable in just dominating inside the paint, especially with its 16.2 points per ball game average in this conference. They're still down by 16. They have to make multiple stops at the moment, and that's not gonna help. One of the reminders of Coach Raymond during the halftime break, challenge the outside shooters, at least have the effort to close out long and put a hand up. I did not, it's not just all inside incursions. Tumatama sa loob yan. And speaking of tumatama sa loob, specialty talaga ni Luis ang galang yan. Napakahirap pantayan, napakahirap istapin. Yung wingspan niya allows him to... tapos tumama yung tres ni Nonoy.
Ito, mid-range jumper, pasok pa rin.
Let's give him that ball. Alam mo, itong player na ito, ang feeling ko, maski nasa simento yan, maglalaro yan eh.
Nonoy na yan. Bahio will finish through the foul.
This is just not a good sign. And Nonoy begging Luis Angalang, please sprint down on defense. Road Warriors. At alam natin, in the early part of his career, nakapagkampyonato na ito si Kevin Alas. But speaking of ito naman, Kevin Ferrer, di ba? How can you shoot if you don't have the ball? So ngayon,
Makikita mo agad, he's surveying the entire floor, looking for where his options will be.
Oh!
And that basket counts.
that was his option. Get the ball in the hands of Kevin Alas. And Kevin in traffic. Foul was called against Katapusan.
Nonoy for 4. Knocks it down. Ever so calmly.
Layo nun ha. 11 puntos na si Mark Nonoy. Bumabaing lamang to 17. Contribution ng mga ibang mga teammates niya.
Sanggalang forces his way in.
Ganyan kalakas eh. Itong si Luis Angalang. Sinabi natin, ang hirap pa galawin ni Brandon Ramirez. But look at the strength.
Bowling. Iwas kay Valdez. And again, totoo na ulit yung fact na lahat ng players na ginamit ni Coach Jong, nakascore na.
Tsaka sinetap talaga ng napakahusay.
Tuloy sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado.